morning students, how are you? Fine. Have you seen my last video? If you don't, then see it first. There I explained you type 1 construction. So today I am going to teach you type 2 construction. Let us now look at type 2. We would construct a quadrilateral, but in this type not all sides would be given, something else will be given. So here quadrilaterals with 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So instead of one diagonal, now we will know both the diagonals, but this time we will not know the 4 sides. We will just know 3 sides. Let us see in this case how do we go about it. So here question is construct quadrilateral GOLD such that OL is equal to 7.5 cm, GL is equal to 6 cm, GD is equal to 6 cm, LD is equal to 5 cm, OD is equal to 10 cm. Try to do a rough sketch. Here I am going to do a rough sketch. This is your quadrilateral GOLD. And here 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Write down all the measurement. So look at here, OD is your 10 cm, GD is your 6 cm, LD is your 5 cm, OL is your 7.5 cm, GL is your 6 cm. So here in this figure both the diagonals are given, 3 sides are given. OG is the side which is not mentioned. In this case, how to go about this? Here also we will draw one of the diagonal first. So which diagonal you will draw? We can draw as any diagonal. I am going to draw diagonal OD first. So first I will draw a line segment of length. As you know, OD is equal to 10 cm, means you have to take 10 cm of line segment. So taking this point as a center, draw an arc of 10 cm and name them as OD. So we have drawn OD. Let us try to find out the point L, because ODL is a triangle. In this triangle ODL, we know all the values of all the 3 sides. So once we have already drawn OD, we know OL also, we know DL also. So let us try to draw this triangle first. So again OL I have to take 7.5 cm. Taking O as a center, draw an arc at a distance of 7.5 cm. Then DL is your 5 cm. So again measure 5 cm. So taking D as a center. Make another arc at a distance of 5 centimeter. Then you will see that these two arcs are meet at one point. Let us say this point is your point L. Then join OL and join LD. Immediately write down all the measurement. This is 10 centimeter. This one is your 7.5 centimeter. This one is your 5 centimeter. So now you got our triangle OLD. 1/2 quadrilateral is almost done. Let us try to do it for other side. Now we do not know the length of OG. We know the length of GL and GD. What we will do? Keep our center at point L, as you know that GL is given. So GL is 6 centimeter. GD is also 6 centimeter. So keep our center at point L and measure 6 centimeter. So keep our center at point L. You will draw an arc using your compass at a distance of 6 centimeter, and GD is also 6 centimeter. So no need to change your measurement. So after that, taking D as center, make another arc. Draw another arc at a distance of 6 centimeter. Now you are getting your intersecting point. Then this point is your G and join GD and GL also. Now you found G, you knew your point O. What you need to do is join OG. So write down here again, GD is your 6 centimeter and GL is your 6 centimeter. So what do you get? This is nothing but your quadrilateral GOLD. So whenever in your quadrilateral 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, there also your first approach could be to draw one diagonal first. Then draw one triangle in which you know all the sides. So once you have drawn one triangle, your task become comparatively easier. In that case, you can take the help of second diagonal and third side to draw the fourth side. So in this way, you can draw any quadrilateral with any measurement. Thank you for watching my video.